Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. A very good evening to my dear friends. It's very happy to be in front of you to make you motive. And my topic here is to bring back you the stage of confidence. You know, everyone, as a human being, we the people should have the word confidence. The thing confidence in your mind. We the people are facing many of the human being, and we are interacting everyone with every matter and with every single minute matter in our life. We have a lot of friends and relatives, especially in our family too. As we are in this current situation, we are wearing white clothes and studying Islamic histories and everything here from this masjid too. So we the people, our relatives, they are not ready to accept us in any kind of marriage or anything, because we are wearing this type of dresses, and they the people, they are wearing another dresses, and they are going for many of the programs with that their dress, and we are coming in front of in that function in this type of white dress. And at the time, the relatives, they may make us like a laugher. They will laugh upon them in front of the people who are watching there actually, because they don't know. They don't know how the respect by the community is giving to us by wearing these kinds of dress and everything. You cannot look at any other. They will always make us like a kind of laugher. It means they will laugh upon us when they see us and watching us. They will laugh, but don't mind that one. Just go forward and do the thing what you have to done there, and just complete the thing and bring back overall that after that. Okay. Actually, as a human being, we need the confidence. For what? Actually, the confidence means to stand upon a stage and to present something without looking at any others, and just present what it is inside in your mind, and just present it. Don't mind others, don't look others, just present what we have in our mind. That is what the confidence means. Maybe the surrounding people, they will look upon us and laugh and make us many difficulty situations, but don't mind that one. Do the thing and the best, and you are the best. Just think that one, that's enough. Somebody maybe say that if you have money, that is the confidence, but not. And if you have any other more power, that is confidence, but it is not the confidence. The confidence means if you have confidence that much have money in your hands, that is not confidence. That is a sort of arrogance actually. If we have money, we can do anything, but we cannot present or anything, or present someone in front of we cannot present anything in front of someone if we have money. Actually, someone have referred that the confidence means that's a internal pressure of a person, like a muscle or something. Okay, it is just a presentation or a present or an object that is presented in a human being, that's not in a, is like a muscle or something like that. And don't do shy on in front of any others. Just present the thing that what in your mind. And speak anything in front of anyone without no matter. And don't shy, because it's all are upon you. Just present what you have inside in your mind. That's all. Have a nice day. Assalamu alaikum.